Alright guys, hello guys, it's Diehard Crypto here, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best ways to trade, guys. One of the best ways to trade, one of the strategies you can use to trade in order for you to earn a whole lot of money. And before you trade cryptocurrency, guys, you have to make sure that you know what's happening in the markets. You know what's happening in the market. You get, don't don't just enter a market simply because the market is green. Just want to enter the market. No, that is not how to engage in a trade, guys. When you want to enter a trade, or when you want to initiate a trade, first of all, what you should all know is that you would have already started making analysis, watching how the market moves, either for for hours, for days, for weeks, for months. You get, so you don't just enter the market simply because of the market is green. You want to enter the market. You want to long the market. You get, so for you to trade futures, you have to make technical analysis. You have to know you have to know the right time to enter the market, guys. You are sorry about sudden change of my voice. Sudden change in my voice. You have to make sure that you know the right time, the perfect time to enter the market. Okay, guys. So let me show you guys example. Like, first of all, if you want to enter any of the altcoins, in as much as we all know that altcoin is very, very risky, we should all know that we won't just engage in an altcoin just like that, guys. We won't just engage in an altcoin just like that. Just like, if I want to enter any altcoin, I'll first of all come to altcoin perpetual. Altcoin perpetual. Oh, okay. Let's load the charts here, guys. If you are seeing this chart and you're like, oh, what's all this, I don't understand what's going on here. What are the red lines, what are the green lines, what are the straight line? Guys, don't be scared. Simply because it's called technical analysis or chart analysis doesn't mean that it is difficult to learn, guys. It is not difficult at all. It is not difficult at all. So before I trade altcoins, as you can see, I come here, come to altcoin perpetual futures. When I come here, I'm able to see from a wide perspective. You get, I see from a very wide perspective how the altcoins has been performing, how they've been performing lately, monthly, daily, weekly, you get, hourly. So I get to see how they've been performing. Like, before you trade, first of all, you have to make sure that you see things from the bigger picture. You see things from the bigger picture. Like, this is the daily chart. At the daily chart, you can see that it's an uptrend. I get my trend line. I get my trend line, then I draw it. You can see that. Wait, let me. You all can see that the market altcoin has been going parabolic lately. This has been an uptrend for a very, very long time, guys. It has been an uptrend for a very, very long time. As you all can see, it is trying to break this line, guys. It's trying to break this line, as you all can see. It's trying to break this line. This is the resistance line, and this is the support line. Sorry about that. It has tested the support twice. Tested it here. Tested it here. Sorry, guys. It tested it here. Then it went up. It tested it here again, guys. It tested it here again. Tested it here. Then after it tested it the second time, it came up here. It has been testing this resistance, guy. When I say resistance is the higher is the the resistance or the line above. You get, it's like something that is obstructing a force from getting through. You get, You get, it's a resistance, something that is preventing something from going further. You get, if something is preventing something from going further up, you get, that is called resistance. For example, take an elevator for an example. An elevator, what when you enter an elevator from the first floor, the ground floor becomes your support. The first floor, which is above you, which you haven't gotten to, that becomes your what? That becomes your resistance. You haven't gotten there. It is until you break through, then you've broken through the first floor. The first floor now becomes your what? Your support. While the second floor now becomes your resistance, because you haven't gone passed through. You haven't passed through the the first floor to the second floor. You get, once you've not passed through, that place remains your resistance. You get, it remains your resistance. So when you move from that second floor to the third floor, the second floor becomes your what? Your support. The second floor becomes your support, and when the second floor becomes your support, your third floor becomes your what? Resistance. Until you get to the third floor, then the second floor becomes your what? Support, while your fourth floor becomes your what? Your resistance. You get, I'm sorry if I'm going too fast and you're really interested in learning about technical analysis, guys. Don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section, or you go message me on Twitter at the Sabi Guy, and I'll definitely reply your tweet, and I will definitely put you through, guys. So before I trade any of the altcoins, I first of all come here, the altcoin perpetual, guys. I see how the market has been moving on the daily. If you come to the weekly, then I can come to the weekly. Oh, guys, you all can see that it's been going pretty well at the weekly chart. Then I come to the 4 hours chart. At the 4 hours chart, we all can say that it's broke out of this resistance. Now it is beneath the resistance. When it broke out of it here, this red candle, when it broke out of it, this green line here, sorry about that, guys. Let me show you guys. This green line became its support, but now it went down. It broke down through the supposed resistance. Now the support, it broke through the support down. When it broke down, the support now became its resistance again. That's why it is trying so much to break through this resistance, guys. So now we can all see that the altcoin market is trying to break through. If I want to enter any trade, I can enter any trade now. I can enter any altcoin trade now. But the best moment to actually enter is when you are following this chart, and you can see that, oh, this resistance has been broken. When it breaks this resistance, we all know that altcoins are all going on boom. Altcoins are going to go parabolic, guys. So for now, it hasn't broken this resistance. You get, it hasn't broken this resistance. Until it breaks this resistance, then we all know that altcoins are going on boom. But for now, we can all still scalp the altcoins. Now, when you want to scalp the altcoins, you can come to Ethereum, USDT, BNB, ENG, XRP, Dogecoin, HBAR, Shiba Inu, IOST, Serum. You can come to any of these altcoins. But when you want to trade Bitcoin, you don't just get into Bitcoin just like that. You can actually enter Bitcoin to check any stuff that you. Oh, okay, guys, this is a perfect example of support and resistance. This is a chart that I drew very long time, very long time. I haven't traded for a very long time. As we all can see here on the 4 hours chart, this particular place, it was this particular candle, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candle, 6 candles before this green candle, this long green candle broke out of this resistance. You all can see that it was trying to break through, but it couldn't break through. Let me take you guys way back, guys. After there is a breakthrough from this resistance here, after there's a breakthrough from this black line, black horizontal line here, this this resistance became its support, guys. It became its support. Then it tried breaking through this other resistance, guys. If you're asking yourself, okay, how did you manage to know that that line is gonna be its resistance, guys? Don't worry, everything I'm gonna explain it as soon as time goes on. I will make sure I try to give you guys more tips. Maybe if you decide to get interested into trading, then I can put you through, guys. I can put you all through. And very soon I'll start live trading, guys. I'll start live trading with you guys. So some of you guys would learn how to trade. Some of you guys will learn how to trade or see how trading actually looks like. It's not as scary as you think it is. So when it broke out of this resistance here, this resistance became its support. As you can see, as it broke out of it, it never broke through. So far, it tried breaking this resistance here, which it broke through it, but there was no confirmation candle, guys. Now you're asking, what's confirmation candle now? What's this guy talking about? What's confirmation candle? We should all calm down. There's nothing to be worried about. I will explain that probably in another video. As you can see, this, after it broke out of here, this place became its support. It became its support. So one of the things we all should know note is that the market is made up of the bulls and the bears. The bears are traders who want the market to go up. They are the traders who long the market, they buy, while the bears are the ones who sell. So whenever you see this red candle indicates what? Bear. The bear markets are in charge at this very hour. It could be the daily candle, the weekly candle. It's the case that the bears are in charge. You all can see where after it broke out of this resistance here, this resistance became its support for a short period of time, and it broke down out of this resistance. Now this resistance this support has now become its current resistance instead of it to become a support, until there is a breakout from this horizontal line here, from this resistance. Then this resistance becomes its support one more time, once more, and once it becomes its support, then we can see Bitcoin scaling to probably 70k, guys. You can see Bitcoin getting to 70k. So I will say that before Monday, Bitcoin should be getting to 72k, guys. Yep. And that's Bitcoin. Now, guys, if imagine I want to trade XRP now. Imagine, let's say I want to trade XRP. Okay, there is a line here. Let me make the line thick. Let me make the line very, very thick. As you all can see, yes, you all can look for simple trades to make, support and resistance. That's one of the best trading strategies for us, guys. It's not complicated, it's just simple. Trading with support and resistance, guys. No other strategy. If someone is telling you, oh, you need to get an indicator, yeah, indicators are very, very helpful while trading. You can use whatever indicator that you want to use. You can use the MACD, you can use the volume, you can use whatever indicator, RSI, you can use whatever you want to use, guys. Very soon I'll be explaining some of these indicators to you guys. But you all should know that one of the easiest way trading is trading with support and resistance, guys. Trading with support and resistance. As you all can see, XRP has refused to break this red line. This red line is actually its support. It hasn't broken out of this red line. It has been very, very long since I dropped this I made this technical analysis, guys, and see, it is still following it's still following the pattern, because we all should know that when it comes to trading, a lot of things occurs, a lot of events reoccur, history tends to repeat itself. So in as much as history tends to repeat itself, so in the market will some bounce back and pump gonna happen, guys. So let's go to another chart. Let me show you one of the ways you can trade. Okay, let's go to Shiba Inu, guys. Let's go to Shiba Inu. As we all can see, I think I've shown you guys this on one of my previous charts. Shiba Inu has actually broken out. The last time I made a video, there was no breakout. You guys can go and check my previous video on Shiba Inu. There was no breakout, guys. There was no breakout. But now there is a breakout for Shiba Inu today, and like according to what I said, guys, if I should actually redo what I deleted from here, you guys are gonna see. Let me take it back. I don't think it's gonna show. I was trying to explain to you guys that when Shiba Inu breaks out of this trend, this downtrend, when it breaks out of this downtrend, this is a downtrend, guys. This is a downtrend. When it breaks out of this downtrend, it's gonna go up after the breakout, then it's gonna retest this downtrend, which is now its support. After it retests it, guys, it's gonna retest it probably once or twice, and after it has retested it, then we can see Shiba Inu getting to we can see Shiba Inu getting to this range. We can see Shiba Inu getting to this exact range, guys. So for now, our advice to guys to actually go and buy Shiba Inu. If you are a sports trader, our advice is to go get Shiba Inu, to go buy a whole lot of Shiba Inus right now, because Shiba Inu is gonna explode, guys. Shiba Inu is actually gonna explode. Let me see if I can get the indicator that's going to the price range, guys, all the way from here down. Sorry, all the way from here up. Let's make proper calculation from here to here, guys. Let's check how many percent that is, guys. That is 100%, guys. 100% worth of profit to be made, guys. That is 100 worth of profit, return of investment you're gonna make if you buy a whole lot of Shiba Inu right now, guys. You're gonna make 100%, guys. 100%. So that's it, guys. So guys, that's one of the basic strategies of trading. Okay, let me say, would you want to trade ADA? As we all can see, okay, you all must be asking, oh, what is this green thing? What is this green stuff? It's called the Fibonacci retracement, guys. It's called the Fibonacci retracement. I used it. Okay, let me take it out. Of the chart. Now let us do support and resistance. Now, if you want to find where to place your support and resistance, you can see I dropped one here, and I dropped this one here, and it has tested this place. How many days ago? This is today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16 days ago, guys. It tested this line, this support 16 days ago, to just let you guys know that this support line is still valid, guys. It's still valid. It's still what? It's still valid. Now let us look for another let us look for its resistance, guys. Since we've figured out its support, now let us look for its resistance. We have to look for where there are a lot of touches, guys. As you all can see, $2.67 is actually its previous where it had a lot of touches previously. So we're gonna put it there. So this line becomes it's this line becomes its its resistance. It's gonna be its resistance. This line becomes its what? Resistance. Now let us look for, and it's this green line became its resistance when this red candle touched here. But now that let's imagine that okay, the market broke out of here. Now we have to look for its current its previous support, its previous resistance. I'm sorry for mixing that up. I hardly do stuff like this, guys. Teach people how to trade, but I have to start doing it, guys. So this becomes its resistance. You all can see what's going on here. Now we have to look for its other resistance or support level in the future. So we have to go way to the past. We have to go back in order to search for where ADA is gonna get to next. So we have to just keep searching where it has gotten a whole lot of touches, guys. So let's just say it's gonna touch here. Yes, this is gonna touch here. Sorry about that, guys. Was it there that I picked or here? I don't know why my hands are shaky. It's gonna touch here. Sorry, guys. Why? Sorry. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna touch there. So now let's say, okay, we don't want to make a whole lot of mess on our chart, guys. Let us add one more, because this actually ADA's all-time high. So we're gonna add another chart here. This was where there was a whole lot of touches, so we're gonna put it there. So now let's go back to our charts. Now we've figured out where it's gonna go to. As we all can see, this is ADA right here. This is ADA right now. This is ADA's current price, and this is what ADA is trading at now. Now this is the daily. We can still see ADA going down. Okay, let me get we can still see ADA breaking through here. When ADA breaks through, it's gonna come here. When it gets here, then it's gonna come down here to retest, guys. There's only something called retest. It's gonna retest this resistance. After it's retested, it either breaks up, out of it, or it either breaks out of it or it breaks down. You get that breaks out of it or it breaks down. Then this side becomes its support, and when this side becomes its support, it stays there or it starts trading, guys. It stays there or it starts trading, going up, down. It just starts accumulating, moving up and down, guys. So as you all can see, this is it. But right now, this is Cardano at the moment. Now let us go to the 4 hours chart. Let us see it clearly. As we all can see, Cardano is at the support level, guys. Cardano is at the support level. If I actually want to enter Cardano right now, I'll wait for Cardano I'll wait for 2 candles after this candle, guys. After these candles, 2-3 candles, guys. If I should see an upside, guys, then I'm gonna enter I'm gonna long Cardano on a future trade. In the future trade, I'm gonna long Cardano, and I'm gonna long Cardano all the way from here to this particular range, guys. And I'm gonna take my profits here. And after I've done taking my profits here, then I exit the market, guys. Then wait and see and watch what the market is gonna tell me next. The market is gonna tell me that okay, Cardano is gonna test this range, this $2.30 range again. If it's gonna break out or it's gonna break down. If it's gonna break down again, I'm gonna take short. When I take short, I'm gonna take my shot like this, guys, all the way from here. I'm gonna take my shot that is gonna trade. It's gonna come down and test this zone again. It's gonna retest it. It's gonna get back to its support level again. I'm not really used to teaching. I'm not really used to saying talking a lot online. I'm not really used to it, but I will get used to it, guys. So it's gonna come down and retest that support level again. Then probably either can move all the way from here. I'm sorry about all the lines here. It will keep on moving, and the more it keeps moving like this, the more ADA keeps moving like this, the more I make my money. We don't have to wait for it to go up, guys. If you're a future trader, the more I make my money, guys. Then if there should be a breakout from here, guys, a breakout from here, and it retests this level to go up, then guys, that is a win for me too. That is a win for me. That is a win for me, because I will continue trading it to be going up. So that is just how the market works, guys. That is one of the best strategies, guys. Don't let anyone deceive you. That is how to trade. Before you initiate a trade, you have to make sure that you've been studying the trade, guys. You don't just enter a trade blindly. Don't enter a trade blindly, guys. You have to make sure that you've made your technical analysis for that particular trade. Either you're trading spot or you're